Consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video if you found it useful. Good afternoon, pedalboard people. My name is Spencer with West Coast Pedalboard. Today we're going to show you how to install these Strymon brand power supplies onto pretty much any angled pedalboard. We're going to be using a tweed board of ours and also showing you the kit that we sell. It's a dual lock kit. It's got 2 feet of dual lock 250 along with some black nylon clamps and truss screws. Make it a super easy installation. I'm going to show you how to do it right now. For this installation, we're going to be using one of our tweed pedal boards, an angled board. We're going to be using the Strymon Ojai R30 expansion kit and then the Zuma full-size power supply. I've already pre-cut some of the dual lock. That's what we're going to use to mount the power supplies to the pedal board, and I'm going to show you a pro tip while we're doing it. All right, we're going to be installing these power supplies. If you bought our installation kit, it's dual lock 250, 2 feet of that. It's some of these black nylon cable clamps and some of our truss screws. So the first thing you're going to want to do is cut some pieces to fit the power supply. I've already cut these. So each piece you're going to have to cut 2 times basically. So the same piece goes on the power supply as goes on to the bottom of the pedal board. So you just see how I'm going to place this down. I'm going to push it down, and I've already got the piece affixed to the top. So there's actually 2 pieces connected. Alright, so we're just going to go on here. Once that's finished, you're going to want to kind of like dry setup. So what that means is, here's your pigtail. I'm going to go ahead and plug this thing in. And I just want to make sure everything is going to fit the right way. So on our pedal boards, we have this nice landing spot right in the middle. So if you get it anywhere in this whole area here, you'll have no clearance issues and everything will work fine. But since we're putting in 2, and there's a buffer pedal here, we just want to make sure that everything is going to fit. So right here looks good. I'm going to go ahead and disconnect this. We're going to peel these 2 back, and if you happen to have a little bit of CA glue or super glue, go ahead and add a few drops to the back of each of these little pieces, and that's going to just make double sure that these things will never ever go anywhere. Alright, a little bit goes a long way, so you don't need much. And you do want to make sure to add pressure to this once you have it firmly in place. So here we go. I like it right here. I'm going to press down. Just hold, make sure it's straight. Alright, put a little pressure down. Alright, moving now to the Ojai R30. This is the expansion. So the only thing we need to power this is going to be coming from the Zuma, the 24 volt port here. We're going to connect this cable into that and route it over to the input port of the Ojai. So before we do that, I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing with this dual lock pieces. I've already cut these, so there are 2 pieces connected to each other already. Alright, and same thing. I'm going to go ahead and make sure that we have enough room here, which we will. And I'm also going to add a couple drops of the super glue to the backs of these pads. And this is a real easy installation, shouldn't take you very long. Our kit actually will work with other brand of angled pedal boards, even flat pedal boards. It's just dual lock and some mounting clips. Alright, so again, we're just going to make sure this thing is nice and straight. Put it down and put a little pressure on there. Our kit comes with these black clamps, so what we're going to do is we're going to add those to the mix here. So we're going to figure out which way this looks slickest to route this cable. So I have everything where I want it. The last thing to do is going to be connecting the interconnect cable. That's the power cable that's going to tap power from the Zuma and feed the Ojai R30. So I'm going to just mess around with this until I find the right kind of route for the cable, and then we're just going to go at it. That's a wrap. Thanks for watching. Remember to go to westcoastpedalboard.com to grab your Strymon power supplies and mounting kits, and hope you like it.